Beautiful, beautiful.
I will praise you, Lord. I will love you, Lord. I will serve you, Lord. I submit to you this day.
That's beautiful.
This special intro is to Brother Walter and Sister Kathy Williams. Because in serving the Lord and doing His will, there has to be a major submittal to want to do the Lord's will, to love Him, in regards to what storms they come through. They have to remember always that they've done so. Continue to serve the Lord regardless of what storms, to praise the Lord regardless of what storms,
That's all right.
to serve the Lord regardless of what storms. This song is to encourage you to continue to do that. We're proud of you. You are my brother-in-law, Walter. I love you. You've been in the Lord ever since I've been in the family. Prior to that, it's been 24 years in the family. It's been a joy. Kathy, best sister-in-law in the world. I love you, girl. Your parents, thank you very much.
That's all right.
So I want to encourage you to continue. We love you from the Lambert Church of Christ.
It's all right.
I submit to you this day. I submit to you this day. I submit to you this day.
That is beautiful.